Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share a shopping haul with you all. Is that right? And I'm going to be sharing a new line of hair products that I picked up because, as you can see, I have slightly different hair now, and I'm trying to just kind of infuse some health back into my hair. I feel like it's done pretty well with the things that I've done to it, but I felt like doing something a bit darker and just trying a whole new line of hair products was the best idea for me to get my hair looking healthy again. So stay tuned if you want to see all of the new products that I'm trying out. So the products I'm going to be showing you are all Eva NYC products that are now available in Meijer, which is super convenient for me because I pretty much never go anywhere else to get stuff. I do my grocery shopping there, and then I don't really like venture to other beauty stores or anything like that. I buy my foundation there, I buy my hair care products there. So this is perfect for me because I probably would have never run into these products otherwise. Though I had tried the dry shampoo in a little mini can that came in my Ipsy bag one time, and I loved it. So I've been dying to get my hands on the rest of their hair care line. So I'm going to show you all what I got. So first up is this Clean It Up shampoo. And I just love the packaging. Like, everything is so pretty. I was just so drawn to it. So the Clean It Up shampoo with Rebates protein and argan oil gently cleanses, restores, and nourishes for all hair types. So I really wish I could send a smell through a video because it smells amazing. So I used it for the very first time today, and I just feel like my hair looks so much better than usual. The Clean It Up shampoo gently cleanses, restores, and nourishes hair. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while Rebates protein gives hair renewed vitality and strength. The result is healthy, soft, and smooth hair. And I can say after trying it that that's true. So then I got the conditioner that goes with it. With Rebates protein and argan oil, gently moisturizes, detangles, and repairs for all hair types. So it's the Soften Up conditioner, and I just love the packaging. Like, I know that sounds like y'all probably think I'm so silly, but I just think it's so pretty. Okay, so you all know that I'm obsessed with dry shampoo. So of course, and I have tried this before and it is amazing. I don't find that it really leaves any residue in my hair. Sometimes that can be a problem whenever you have darker hair, which is not something I'm used to. But I feel like their dry shampoo does not leave residue. Freshen Up dry shampoo cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and keeps hair fresh longer for all hair types. So I'm going to be showing you all how I use this a little later on. I know some people have a lot of questions about how to use dry shampoo, so I'm going to show you all kind of like my routine on using dry shampoo, and something I had never heard of before, Forget Me Not dry conditioner. So this is lightweight conditioning, detangling, softness, and shine for all hair types. Now, I had never heard of dry conditioner, so I haven't tried this yet. I'm really excited to use it along with the shampoo. It says about the same directions, and I'm gonna like spray a little bit into my hair. And everything smells amazing. I love the smell of it. I got near Nate earlier and he was like, and I was like, it's all these new hair products I'm using. They smell great. So, very excited about that one too. Then this is the Surf's Up Texture Spray for beachy waves and insane volume for all hair types, it says. Now I used this earlier after I curled my hair. I just kind of sprayed it in and scrunched it around. I back combed my hair and sprayed it under that, and like just, I feel like it gave me some really good volume. So I am loving that. It says get beachlicious waves without the sunburn using the Eva NYC Surfs Up texture spray. Salon formula creates sexy tousled locks and adds a light matte finish to any hair type. And then it goes on to say a little bit more, but I think you get the idea. So I really like this. I think this would be great to use whenever I'm not feeling like curling my hair per se, but I want to just like scrunch it up and like have beachy waves. I'm gonna try that out. I used to braid my hair whenever it was damp and let it have some waves in it, and then I don't do that anymore because I never really found the right product to do that with, to put on it afterwards to get it to look right. But I'm thinking this might be the product I needed, so I might do that when I'm feeling lazy. And then I really liked spraying it into my curls today. I feel like it just gave it some bounce, so love that. Now I used this after I showered today. After I got out of the shower and washed my hair, and this is called Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. 10 benefits in one miracle formula. And I'll read on the back to you. It says, simplify your styling routine with our miracle potion using the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, infused with argan oil and sunflower seed oil to give your hair its daily dose of vitamins and nutrients. This multitasking formula does it all. Detangles, nourishes, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, reduces frizz, and protects against thermal, environmental, and UV damage. With 10 benefits in one spray, you'll save precious time and vanity space. Now, I can say that that's completely true. This cut my drying time down. So I know you all had seen me use my drying hairbrush, and it's just like a hairbrush that has a blow dryer in it. So that's what I used today, and I sprayed this into my hair and just in sections while it was wet, and then ran my fingers through it and then combed it. Now I didn't spray it in the top because I don't really like to put anything in the top of my hair that could cause it to be more oily. This didn't feel oily on my hair at all, so I'm probably not too worried about it doing that. But just in case I didn't put it in the top part, I just put it from like here down. And so normally I do my makeup while my hair is air drying after I've combed it out. And so that's what I was doing, and I don't let it get too dry because it starts to get frizzy if I let it air dry for too long. Well, I noticed that I was kind of racing the clock. Normally I'm completely done with my makeup by the time it's time to dry my hair, but this cut my drying time in half because I was like, oh, my hair is getting too dry before I'm ready to blow dry it. So I had to stop doing my makeup, which was fine. I stopped doing my makeup and then went ahead and blow dried it really quickly so it wouldn't get frizzy, even though this really seemed to help with any frizz I was having. But I just like to make sure I blow dry it from a certain point that it starts to get dry, because otherwise it just doesn't look right. But I noticed that, so it definitely cuts down on your drying time, which is awesome. And I felt like it definitely detangled and just made it softer. I love it. So then this is something that I had to have because of all the holidays and everything coming up. And you read that right, it's glitter spray. Queen glitter spray. Caravis and argan oil and silver glitter. Radiant shimmer instant party for hair and body. So I did put this in my hair today, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it on my skin or not. I put it in my hair today. I don't know if you can tell that that's sparkly or not, but I could see it in my hair and it made me happy. I don't care if it's party time or not. Like, I want glitter in my hair every day of my life. You can kind of see it, but it looked really, really pretty against my dark hair, so I'm very excited about that. This is the therapy session hair mask, and once again, like, this packaging is just so amazing. I feel like it's mermaid hair care. So this therapy session hair mask with Caravit's protein and argan oil deeply conditions, repairs, and strengthens for all hair types. And it comes with this plastic lid in here to help you keep from making a mess, which I'm probably gonna do, but I wanted to show it to you if you can see it. It looks very nourishing. So I am very, very excited to use this. It smells amazing, just like everything else. And that is a huge tub of it. Like, will I ever run out of this? I don't think I will. The therapy session hair mask deeply conditions, repairs, and strengthens dry and damaged hair. Use either as a weekly treatment or an everyday conditioner. Apply to the hair, wait 2 to 5 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. So this is something I really, really like because it doesn't like require you to leave it on for like 30 minutes or something. I like those kinds of things, but at the same time, I never make the time to use them. So something like this that I feel like I could just use in place of my regular conditioner, it's probably going to get used a lot more than something that I feel like I need to like allot time for. But I did also get this Skip the Spa thermal hair wrap, infused with 38 active plant oils and extracts, including argan oil for unparalleled moisture, nutrition, and repair. So clinical trials confirm immediate improvement in damaged hair, 7 days of shiny glowing hair, 9 days of hydrated hair. So this looks very fun, like for a spa night. You can see that. So I'm excited to do this too. So I don't feel like my hair's too damaged, so this would be good for me every 2 weeks probably. I also picked up this mini straightener and this mini hair dryer. They are both supposed to be made in a way that provides very healthy heat to your hair. So I'm very excited because I feel like some of the stuff I have been using, well, I've had it for years, so I'm excited about these because I can travel with them. I've just been wanting to get something smaller that I could bring with me somewhere if I needed to. This cute hair dryer, oh my goodness. It even comes with little attachments. Look at them. And I hadn't taken this out yet, but like, look how cute that is. Just look. That is so cute. So I'm very excited to try this one out and to have something that I can take with me places when we travel. It doesn't take up so much room. And I love the carrying case. Like, look how beautiful these are. The little metallic, like mermaid looking carrying case. And then this cute little straightener. I'm loving this. This will be perfect to straighten out my bangs or to like freshen up my curls after a few days. Perfect, perfect. So if you're interested in any of the stuff that I grabbed, it is all available at Meijer. So if you are like me and you don't like having to go off to a different beauty store or a different place to get your favorite salon care products, now you can grab all of these at Meijer while you're doing your grocery shopping. So make sure to let me know if you pick up any of these goodies, and even if you just go smell it in the store, like, let me know, because I want to know if everyone else thinks it smells as amazing as I do, because it smells amazing. Like, I keep smelling my hair, and earlier, I'll be honest, I burnt some muffins, So I had a little bit of like a burnt smell in my hair, and I just washed it today. So I came up here and just sprayed some of my dry shampoo in it, and now you can't smell it. So I'm already loving all this stuff, and I can't wait to try everything out that I haven't tried yet. I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because you're going to want to see my follow-ups on these as I try them out more and show you all how I'm using them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.